Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob yeng jongpi.
Ka kinhun menteri Sorkar, jongka Sorkar jela. Kala shim ya karai ban Pynrung no ya ka science stream, haki college Sorkar, ba kentup ya ka Sohra Government College, ka William Nagar Government College, ka Bakmara Government College, ka Moplang bat ka Mahendraganj College. Ka Sorkar ka kwa bagi college Sorkar, kita bandan ya baro ki stream, kumbalong lem Kiwei pat ki college, ha kani ke jela. Ka Sorkar kala shimru ya karai, ban tep kam, kat kum ka jingdon kam hakini ki college.
The 5 colleges that are there, which is namely Sohra College, William Nagar Government College, Bakmara College, and Moplang and Mahendraganj College. We have decided, the government has decided, that we will be establishing a science stream in these colleges, and so therefore a decision was made to that extent, because the NEP requires multidisciplinary subjects to be given, and therefore we have felt that the best way to begin this would be to ensure that the government colleges would have multi-streams. So the science and commerce, as per the requirements, will be started in these different colleges. The details are there in this, but I think it will take some time to go in. But point being that the posts that are necessary for the sanction to be sanctioned, so that the science streams can start in these colleges, that decision has been made today and approved by the cabinet. So these colleges will have science stream in the future.